Hello there, welcome to ASAP Health. People ask, what will happen if I start the keto diet? Is it safe? Let's talk about 9 steps beginners should take before trying the keto diet. Number 1. Know what foods you will eat and avoid on the ketogenic diet. In following a keto meal plan, you will be severely limiting carbs. Make sure that you know what foods have mostly carbs, fat, and protein, so you can make the right choices. For instance, beans may contain protein, but they're also very high in carbohydrates. Fruit and veggies also mostly contain carbs. The only foods that don't contain carbs are meat and pure fats. Number 2. Examine your relationship with fat. Keto involves lots of it. Slowly start pushing out carbs and getting in fat. If you are afraid of fat, a ketogenic diet won't work for you. To prepare for a high-fat diet, which can be uncomfortable at first, start making small adjustments to what you eat every day. Start cooking with more oil, such as olive or avocado oil. Number 3. Switch up your view of protein. This is a moderate protein diet. One of the most common misconceptions about the keto diet is that you can eat as much protein as you'd like. But this is not a diet where you watch carbs only. You also have to keep your protein intake moderate. Protein can be converted into glucose, and therefore overeating protein can take your body out of ketosis. Before watching the rest of this video, don't forget to subscribe to ASAP Health for more videos. Number 4. Hone your cooking skills to make fresh fare, as high-carb processed foods aren't okay on keto. Look at a variety of keto websites and cookbooks for keto-approved recipes you love. Find 4 to 5 recipes with foods you know you like. That way, you're not standing around wondering what to eat and turn to carbs. Number 5. Talk to your family about your weight loss goals on the diet. Tell them your plan. You may not be able to eat what they're eating during family meal times, so you'll want to prepare them and yourself for what your new habits will look like. Because this diet is often done only short-term, 3 to 6 months, you can assure them that it's temporary. Number 6. Know what side effects to expect. For example, the keto flu. For all the attributes of a ketogenic diet like weight loss, there is one big side effect you have to be prepared for: the keto flu. The keto flu is a term that refers to the period after you start the diet when your body is adjusting to burning fat for energy. Some people have no problem with it and others are miserable. In the first week or 10 days, you may feel extremely lethargic in your limbs. Walking upstairs may feel impossible. You may deal with mental fog. Often, keto causes constipation or potential diarrhea because of a change in fiber intake. Number 7. Up your electrolytes to prevent or mitigate unpleasant keto side effects. In ketosis, your kidneys excrete more water and electrolytes. Make sure you are getting the sodium and potassium your body needs to function well. Salt your foods. Drink salted bone broth and eat non-starchy veggies such as asparagus, kale, bell peppers, and arugula. Number 8. Acknowledge when keto might not be right for you. There are medical conditions that should make you think twice about starting keto, or at least talk to your doctor before trying it out. Number 9. Have an after plan. because keto isn't meant to be a long-term weight loss solution. A keto diet is not a forever diet. It's designed to be short-term. Some people go on a keto diet a few times per year. Others will use it to lose weight and change their eating habits. For some people, going on a keto diet is an effort to change these poor habits, but there is the risk of falling back into your old ways once the diet is over. Don't go straight back to your previous diet because you will likely lose any health benefits and regain the weight. Your ultimate goal should be to shift your diet to a healthier pattern that involves eating less bread, less pasta, less flour, and less sugar, as well as more non-starchy veggies. Think about what that will look like for you once the keto diet is over. How will you use this temporary diet as a springboard to bettering your long-term health? Now, what do you think? Is the ketogenic diet right for you? Tell us in the comments section below. Make sure to watch this video. Please subscribe to ASAP Health and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.